Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys. And today's video, I'm going to show you how to run Windows 10 on your Mac alongside Mac OS using Parallels 14. And the setup for this is really easy. It takes one click. Well, sort of. Let me show you what I mean. So to start, you're going to want to hit download free trial at parallels.com. I already did that just to speed up the process, but it's pretty straightforward. You just click download, it downloads, and it goes to your downloads folder. Once it downloads, that's 4 times I've said download in 5 seconds. You want to click on it. It will mount on your desktop. It'll say Parallels 14 for Mac. You're going to want to click install. It's going to say it's an app you downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, obviously. And it's going to start installing Parallels. It's going to check for new software. If you download a different version, it's going to give you the software license agreement. Just read that if you want. No one ever reads that, so just click continue. And after that, it's going to ask you for your admin password. Type that in, and once you hit enter, it will remove previous versions if you have any. It will install the actual application, it will initialize it, and you can see down in the corner it's launching. Parallels desktop is starting, and then this is where the one click comes in, pretty much. You're going to say download and install Windows 10. You're going to want to click install Windows, and it will create a Windows VM for you. It'll do pretty much everything for you. It'll download Windows 10. This might take a little while depending on your connection, so I'll speed this a little bit up for you, so that way you don't have to sit here for the next 12 minutes just staring at nothing. Once it downloads, it'll start installing itself and setting itself up. It'll bring you to the setup wizard like any normal Windows 10 installation would. But the only difference is, this one will install itself. You don't have to prompt it. It won't ask you for a product key or anything. It'll just download and immediately go to install. And I'm going to speed this part up because this is going to take a little while as well. So sit back, relax, enjoy. Once it finishes installing, it restarts the VM. And then once the installation process is finished, it's already created a user profile for you, and it signs you in, and then it goes through the we're getting everything ready for you. This will only take a moment. And then once it's all done, it'll say installation complete. Click to continue. Have a Parallels account. It's gonna prompt you to create one. I guess I'm gonna have to do one now. And then once you're all signed in, you're ready to go. And then if you click this blue button up here, this enables coherence, so you can use Windows 10 apps right here on your Mac OS desktop. And you can also click full screen, so now you have a full screen Windows experience. You can do everything that you can do in Windows, and then if you swipe back over, you have Mac OS, full-fledged Mac OS. You can swipe between the two and do your thing. And you can see here I'm running Windows 1809, so this is the... Oh, my cursor is wigging out. But this is the latest version of Windows. This is Mr. Delete Your Files. But seeing as you're doing a fresh, clean install, it shouldn't delete your files, because you shouldn't have files. Everything works, so if I go to my YouTube channel, it'll come up with my YouTube channel, hopefully. Yeah, see, comes up with my YouTube channel. That subscriber purge hit me pretty hard. And you can watch my videos if you want in Windows on your Mac. A little bit more info on Parallels. It is a paid application, which kind of sucks. It's not too bad. If you have a previous version, you can upgrade for 50 bucks. You can buy a whole brand new license for 80. And if you're a power user and you carry around 2 laptops, one is a MacBook and one's, I don't know, an XPS 13 or a yoga book or something like that, and you need to carry 2 laptops with you, you can download this, install Windows on your machine, and cut that down to 1 laptop, have that be your MacBook, and run everything on here. So depending on your use case, it does vary in practicality. Whether or not you'll be willing to fork out that 80 bucks is up to you, but I figured I'd just show you how to do it, show you how simple and easy it is to get it going if you decide to pull the trigger. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications, leave comments, tell me what you think of this, if this is something that you'd be willing to do if it's something that you are currently doing. This has been Jake with Technology and Toys, and until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.